The last thing Michael bought was his daughter's birthday present. $400, American Girl doll. This morning, $17 in checking. He watched them tow his Tesla. He made $400,000 last year. Next week, the house. Month after that, probably the marriage. And if you're making over 6 figures right now, you're 12 months away from this exact driveway. Let me show you the trap you're already in. Michael Chen, MIT, 2009, software engineer. Not some idiot who bought Bitcoin at the top or got addicted to sports betting. Smart guy, did everything the American dream told him to do. Started at $92,000. Good money. Shared apartment, $1,500 a month. Saved 20%. Felt rich. First promotion, $130. I should live a little, he thought. Upgraded apartment. Started a nice watch collection. Still saving 15%. Financial advisors would approve. Second promotion, $250,000. This is where it happens. This is the moment the trap closes and you don't even hear the click. Because here's what nobody tells you about crossing 200K. You don't just get more money, you get reclassified. The algorithm changes, your zip code expectations change, your peer group changes, and suddenly the entire economy reorganizes around extracting every dollar you're about to make. Congratulations on your promotion. Your realtor just got an alert. Michael bought the house at $250 annual. Palo Alto, $1.2 million. It's only 25% of gross income, his mortgage broker said. You're golden. Golden, that word again. $6,000 a month, plus $3,200 property tax, plus $800 HOA, plus the furniture that doesn't look ridiculous in $1 million house, plus the landscaping, because everyone on the street has landscaping. Then the car, can't pull a Honda into this driveway. Leased Tesla, $900 a month. Private preschool, the public school test scores are concerning, $26,000 annually. Gym membership at Equinox, because that's where people network, $240 a month. Whole Foods, because you're investing in health, $900 a month. The financial advisor charging 1%. You need wealth management at this level. At $250 income, that's $3,300 annually. Stop. Go back. Read that list again. Every single line item is a sentence. You're just serving them consecutively instead of simultaneously. And Michael's climbing, because that's what you do. You don't get to 250 and coast. You're on the escalator now. Up or out. $300,000. New title. More stress. Started therapy. $200 a week. Doesn't take insurance. $4,800 a year to talk about why making $48,000 more makes you less happy. $400,000. Senior director. Equity package. Corner office. His burn rate is now $37,000 per month. $37,000 every month. No exceptions. Miss one paycheck, the whole thing collapses like a Jenga tower. He has the same financial runway as someone making $52,000, just with a better view while the plane goes down. Now here's where it gets sick. Because this isn't an accident, this is engineered. Every dollar Michael makes above $300,000 gets taxed at 51 cents, federal and state combined. Social Security, Medicare, California state tax, property tax, sales tax. His $400,000 is actually $206,000 hitting the account, but the expenses are calculated on $400,000. The mortgage broker qualified him on gross. The car dealership ran numbers on gross. The private school financial aid form uses gross. It's like ordering a pizza, getting 3 slices, but paying for the whole thing, and then someone judging you for not sharing. Would you have noticed you're keeping 49 cents on the marginal dollar while spending like you keep 100? No, because they designed it that way. But wait, there's another tax nobody mentions, the social tax. Michael's neighbors bought a boat. Now his deck furniture looks shabby. They renovated the kitchen. Now his countertops look dated. His colleague bought a Tahoe place. Now every Monday, how is the mountain house? You're not keeping up with the Joneses anymore. You are the Joneses, and there's always a richer Jones. That's not lifestyle inflation. That's a subscription to inadequacy. 2020, tech sector restructuring. Michael's company starts optimizing. His department's safe, for now, but they stop backfilling. 2 junior devs at $120 each, instead of 1 senior at $250. Michael starts working weekends, not because they ask, because he knows. Savings account, $41,000. Sounds good. That's 6 weeks, 1.5 months of expenses. Home equity, $600,000. Can't eat it, can't pay bills with it. It's theoretical money. 401k, $615,000. Locked until he's 59, and entirely in tech stocks that quintupled during free money era. Here's the thing about paper wealth. It evaporates at exactly the speed you need it most. February 2022, Fed raises rates. Tech stocks crater. His 401k drops to $408,000 in 11 weeks. $200,000 gone. Poof. And then, May 16th, 2023, 9:47 a.m. Outlook calendar notification. HR meeting. 15 men. No small talk. HR has a script. They've done this 80 times this quarter. Organizational restructuring, eliminating redundancies. Your role is being consolidated. We appreciate your contributions. Here's your severance package. 6 months salary, healthcare through November, outplacement services. Sounds generous. 6 months is 200,000 gross, 122,000 net, 33,000 monthly burn. He's got 96 days. And here's the part that breaks people. You can't just downgrade. The mortgage doesn't negotiate. The school doesn't prorate. The lease doesn't pause. And everyone's watching. His daughter's best friend's mom asks at pickup, "How's work? Neighbors, haven't seen you leaving in the morning. Vacation time?" LinkedIn, 73 applications, 4 interviews, 2 ghosts, 1 overqualified, 1 offer at 200,000. He can't take 200. The math doesn't work. He's trapped by the cage he built. Month 7, lists the house. Market softened. Sells for 1.6. After realtor, closing costs, paying the mortgage, clears 240,000. He put in 280 over 8 years, lost 40 grand, plus opportunity cost, plus his wife's trust. Michael drives a 2016 Camry now. They rent, $2,900 a month. Daughter's in public school. Turns out it's fine. He took a contract role at 160, saving 42%, buying index funds, building cash, 0 debt except student loans he's finally addressing. He'll be okay, but his wife looks at him different now, not with anger, with fear, because she saw how fast it unraveled, how little control they had, how the fortress was cardboard. Michael made $2.3 million in his career. He has nothing to show for it, except a lesson bought with catastrophe. The high salary didn't build wealth, it prevented it. Let me show you the math they don't teach at MIT. Person A makes 400,000, spends 320, saves 80 in taxable accounts and 401k. Person B makes 150, spends 60, saves 90 in cash-flowing assets, small rentals, dividend stocks, online businesses. 10 years later, person A has 800,000 in retirement accounts. Impressive. Still needs the job. Still one layoff from panic. Person B has 900,000 in assets, producing $43,000 in passive income. Person B just bought their time back. Person A bought a better spreadsheet. The salary is the bait. The trap is believing the salary is the wealth. High income does not equal wealth. Assets producing income without your time is wealth. Everything else is just advanced poverty with better throw pillows. If you're making over 6 figures right now, I need you to do something. Open your bank account. Check your savings. How many months could you survive without a paycheck? If that number is under 12, you're not wealthy. You're employed. There's a difference. Hit subscribe. Next video, I'm breaking down the exact 10 assets that produce income while you sleep and why 3 of them are completely hidden from high earners by design. Don't let the algorithm bury this. You need that video. There are 9,000 people watching this right now, making over 200,000 with less than 6 months saved. You know what's crazy? Michael had 17 warnings, 17 moments he could have changed course. He ignored all of them. How many have you ignored? And here's the part that should terrify you. Michael's the success story. He got out with a Camry at a rental. Next time, I'll show you the ones who didn't. I'll see you in the next one.